Vice ganda ginulat ang lahat sa pag-appear sa unang live ng Snatch Game.
So many Vice.
Sa naganap na kauna-unahang live ng Snatch Game PH ngayong gabi, ay marami nga ang natuwa at nagulat dahil special guest nga si Vice. Ayon kay Vice ay talagang nagpatahi pa ito ng kanyang outfit para ngayong gabi.
Hello. Hello, many Vice. You may take your seat over here. Vice, you may take your seat over here.
Grabe ka, Eva!
Yes! What's up, Ribag ng Bakula? So many Vice, maraming salamat and are you excited to play the Snatch Game tonight?
Oh my
Super
God!
excited. Super excited ako to be here.
So many Vice, maraming salamat and are you excited to play the Snatch Game tonight?
Super excited. Super excited ako to be here. Actually, gusto kong manood lang. Pinag-usapan namin ni Eva, tapos bigla niya akong ginawang guest dito. Ayun tuloy, nagpagawa pa ako ng damit, putang ina to si Eva.
Pero wala pa ka natin, Many Vice is here, everyone! Alright, okay. Pero wala pa ka natin, Many Vice is here, everyone! Alright, okay na? Okay na. So this is the part where I ask you to put your phones down. This is the part where we stop recording. Okay?